Welcome to the Avalon Caves, where it's all about fitness, nutrition, rest, and security. So, what can you do here concretely? In the farm, you grow fruits that correspond to the different life areas. You can turn those into the matching life area symbols, which help you to level up on the island. The habits more or less speak for themselves. Here you can create habits, so things or routines you want to do, track, and see your progress in it. With the scans, you can track how you're feeling about your different life areas and thus gauge where you could have the most impact in changing something in your life. And last but not least, in the tensions, you can capture whenever you feel uneasy about something, anything, in your life, so that you can later come back to them and process them in a structured way.